StudyNest. So today's Friday's facts are about why is doctor's handwriting so bad, and also can you fly a house with the help of balloons? So without any further delay, let's jump on to the video. Have you seen the Up movie which was released in 2009? Well, it was where a character flies his house with the help of some balloons, and he flies his house with that. So can that be possible in the real life? Well, the answer is yes. A scientist and an engineer has successfully done it with the help of 300 helium balloons. So, have you ever wondered that the doorknobs are touched by many people in the day and hence it has all the germs and bacteria on it? Well, doorknobs have this ability and there's this phenomenon that occurs called oligodynamic effect, where the doorknobs just remove the bacteria from its thing and hence it is bacteria free. So don't hesitate to, you don't need to clean it also. It happens naturally. Yes, why are their handwriting so bad? Well, a doctor would tell, you would have not asked this to any doctor, did you? Well, if you want to know what is the reason behind, then here it is. A doctor needs to perform many exams to clear the exams and then be a doctor. So after writing tons of exams, they will become a doctor so hardly. So in that meantime, they have their handwriting bad and they're getting worse. So that is one reason. But not all doctors have bad handwriting. 1-2% have a good handwriting. It's a good news for you. And also, one other reason is that doctors have to finish, if there are a lot of patients, then they have to check them and write quickly the medicines. But if they do late, the patients will think, this doctor is so slow, let's go to another doctor. That is what the mindset is. So that's why the doctor writes quickly. And another fact for you, a bonus fact, it is that many people die because the doctor's handwriting is so worse. How does the person in the medical shop identify which medicine to give? Well, you might have noticed he asks, what thing do you have? What is your problem? Then you say fever, cough, cold, whatever. And then he sees the first letter of that thing because that was going to be clear. So he sees the first letter of that medicine and then gives you according to that difficulty or problem faced by the patient. So with that, many people die per year. So it's actually important that the doctors write a neat handwriting. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and ring the notification bell for my latest updates. Until the next video, goodbye.